Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to BCC in Gmail. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Gmail application. So I'm just going to go to gmail.com on my PC. Alright, so here we have our Gmail. On the left hand side you can see the option for compose. So all you have to do is click on this compose, and now let's give our email a subject. Alright, so now let's write the text. Alright, so let's add our recipients. So here I'm just going to add a recipient, and on the right hand side you can see the option for BCC. What you have to do is click on this BCC and here enter another email as well. And yeah, that is how you'll be able to add BCC in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.